Honor is back, and thinner than ever. Meet the MagicPad 3, possibly the world's thinnest tablet, just 6.4mm thin, ultra-light, and designed to impress. A stunning 12.3-inch 3K display, buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and TÜV certified eye comfort. It's all screen brilliance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, with up to 12GB RAM, perfect for work, play, and everything in between. Massive 10,000 mAh battery, with 66W fast charging. All-day power, zero stress. Launching this July, the MagicPad 3 is here to redefine slim, smart, and stunning.